Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. Today I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to log into Kraken wallet on your PC. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's jump right into the video. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the web address bar, type in www.kraken.com and press enter. You'll end up in the official web page of Kraken, which looks like this. In order to log into your Kraken wallet using your PC, go to the sign in button in the upper right hand corner, give it a click, and you'll end up in the login area. In order to log into your wallet for Kraken, you'll need to type in your information, that is your username and your password. Type in the username that is associated with your Kraken wallet account. Now head over to the next field and type in your password correct as well. In case you've forgotten your username or your password, click on the help button, and you can go ahead and choose one of the options that you need help with. Finally, click the sign in button after you are done entering your credentials, and you'll need to go check your email address in order to receive the approval link that has been emailed to you. Open up a new tab and go check your email. You'll receive an email from Kraken Wallet in your email inbox. Open it up and click on Approve Device. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to log into your Kraken Wallet using your PC. The next thing to do is to get verified Kraken Wallet by clicking on Get Verified and following the on-screen process. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.